Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about P equals to this one and Q equals to this one. We have the S, so we do first the derivative of this equation with respect to y. So we have db over dy, and we just have this one in here, and we have e to the power of y. Next, dy, so we do first the derivative of this equation with respect to s. So we have e to the power of y. This one equal to this one, so we can use about exact. Now I need to set up about the function, and I will put about the integration of this one in here, plus gsy, the integration of this one, so you have s e to the power of y, the integration of 6s, we have 3s squared. Next, we do first the derivative of the function with respect to y. So we have d over dy. So first the derivative of this one, we have e to the power of y. This one you got 0. And we know that everything in here equals to this one. Now we simplify se to the power of se to the power of y for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. That's about dy. And we know that this one equal to c. Next, we return back to this equation. We know that if we do this integration in here, that's it return back to gsy. So this one equal to c. And we know that it's about fsy. And fsy equal to c2. So c minus c, that's still about the constant. So we just write about like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.